Real love requires real conversation.
Real love requires real conversation.
A thing like this gives one an opportunity to learn, an opportunity to see other people's views, and at the same time, be able to fit yourself in one's shoe. When we talk about miles of marital destiny, I've come a long way. I still have things I wish I would have done better, and now I have more experience, because sometimes they tell you, when you've been in something, you'll be able to tell. Here we have singles, here we have married. But it's a good thing that both of us are in one place, so we'll be able to learn and drive something from each and every one of us. And our background is different, and our spirituality level is different. So if we're in a place like this, it's a place of where you can learn from the pastors, the spiritual part of it, and at the same time, the normal part of it. It's good to be free. It's good to, to also be in another gathering where it's not highly so spiritual. Then you learn, you mix everything together. So today, on my own topic, I'm dealing with, this is huge. It's just a few lines, real talk, real conversation, real change. So we'll start by saying, what is that thing that you've not been able to speak about? I know there's something that you've never spoken about. There's something you wish you would have said at a point. And there's something that have happened and you said to yourself, if I had known, I would have said something. There's always a place of, if I had made this move to actually come up to be present, probably this wouldn't have happened. Maybe if I had engaged in this conversation, in my relationship, probably my marriage wouldn't have broken down. Maybe if we had had this talk, probably my child would not go astray. Probably if we have had this conversation, ideas would have come up, or there must be a change or solution. But because we don't have that conversation, it brings you to a place of where when something happens, it brings regret. So when it brings regret, then you will start blaming yourself for not having that conversation. This is why I like the last speaker said, the last thing he asked was, would you prefer communication or would you prefer a good